guys, I'm from Math Academia, and today we will be reviewing a question on mensuration. The question states that the diagram shows a closed cylindrical container which is half filled with water. The diameter of the container is 28 centimeters and the length is 0.7 meters. First, before we start with the question, let's derive what information is given to us. If the diameter of the cylinder is 28 centimeters, this would make the radius of the cylinder to be 14 centimeters. And if the length is 0.7 meters, we will want to standardize the unit. So this would make the length of the cylinder to be 70 centimeters. Alright, let's move on to part A. We want to find the volume of water in the container. Since the question already stated that the cylindrical container is half filled with water, so this would mean that the volume of water would just be half of the volume of the container. So that would give me half times pi r squared multiplied by the height. So I just have to substitute the values in. I'll get half times pi times 14 squared multiplied by 70. Okay, so I would get 6,860 pi centimeters cubed. So I've derived my answer for part A, 6,860 pi cm cubed. The next part, part B, they want us to find the total surface area of the container in contact with water. So let's first highlight the surface area of the container in contact with water. We have two semicircles here. So 2 halves of the circle will give me a complete circle. So to find the surface area for these two parts, I would just have to take the area of a circle. Next would be the curved surface area in contact with water, which is this part over here. Alright. So for the yellow part highlighted, that would be half of the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay. So if we recap, the curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r multiplied by height. And since we are looking at half of the curved surface area, so I multiply it by half. So the simplified formula would be pi rh. Okay? And for the orange part highlighted, the surface area would be pi r squared. Okay, so I have to add these two surface area together. And let me substitute the values in. I would have 14 square pi plus 14 times 70 pi. Okay, so my total surface area of the container in contact with water would be 1,176 pi cm squared. Okay, so these are my answers for this question. I hope that you understand my explanation. Thank you.